Alright, this is a Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Dyna Storm RS. I'm going to unbox it and going to assemble it. Inside the box, there is metallic plated rims, and a set of soft slick tires, and the Super 2 chassis, which is black in color. Parts to assemble: and decals for the cover, or they call it the cowl. Tools needed to use for assembling the parts. Stuff that you need is a sharp plier and a screwdriver. Inside the box, there's this instruction manual where you can follow it accordingly so that you won't miss any parts in the later build up. Yep, I hope you enjoy the video and see you guys later. Finally, it's done, the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Dyna Storm RS. And it takes me half an hour to fix up the car, and yeah, do take your time fixing up the car. Don't rush, because the pliers are quite sharp. Okay, do like, share and subscribe for the next video. And I see you guys again. Thank you very much.